Thank you very much for the showcase that you organized today. I think it's an excellent opportunity to increase visibility of things, of new innovation and research that aims at low and mid-income countries, but goes beyond that. So when I first had the idea to develop this haptic solution for body-powered prostheses, it's very important to obviously build a strong team and also incorporate people who are actually developing devices for end users. And there Rui is a perfect partner because his team at Stanmore in the Center for Aspire Create, they have extensive experience with developing rehabilitation technology, healthcare technology, assistive technology for end users, and that's what he was able to bring to this project. So when we look at prostheses for amputees as a whole, there are many robotic solutions, and all of these robotic bionic prostheses, they have in one way or another some sort of haptic feedback incorporated. So they have mechatronic sensors and they feed it back to the arm or other parts, or integrated actually into the nerve system of the human. So it's a very, if you look at these bionic hands, they are made for the people who can financially pay for this and who have access to the know-how and to the technology. So I wanted to achieve something here that is actually accessible and affordable for the people in low and mid-income countries, and I think I developed here a solution to make haptic feedback for prostheses available to these people in low and mid-income countries. And beyond that, we can also look at other ways to manufacture these devices. So not only look at additive manufacturing, but look at other materials that can be used and that people can use to fabricate body-powered prostheses. When we look at the project that we have done with Rui, we immediately had already other partners that joined. So to mention is there Professor Shavanti from McEng, but also her colleagues from the University Hospital Coventry and Warwickshire, who are hand reconstruction surgeons. So with this team and with Dr. Mehran Moazen, we have now we have received funding from the Royal Academy of Engineering to look into different materials and fabricate body-powered prostheses and inspire people in low and mid-income countries to not only develop a hand that can do some grasping, but look at other designs that they think are useful for their professional activities, for other tasks they have to do in their daily life. So bring the inspiration, creativity to these countries apart from the body-powered prostheses.